What's up, everybody? If you're looking for a quick, easy solution to build little shelves, floating shelves in your closet or anywhere else, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how I built these floating shelves with the help of glue and some basic brackets. Stay tuned for the whole video. Okay, so here are the brackets. They come with screws. There's an indent, which means the screws are going to be flat with the finish. For our purposes, we don't want to be seeing the top, so we're going to have to trim that. We're going to cut it about here. So we ended up cutting these brackets for our needs because we're creating these little floating shelves, and these are just under an inch. So if we use this way, it will be sticking out. This way, we only see the bottom part because we cut this with a grinder. So we did this over here as well. As you can see, just a 4-inch grinder. Now the screws that they gave us, we're essentially just gonna screw in like that, put a little glue here on the shelves, and then I'm putting this on like that. See that? Like this. Now we don't even see the underneath part because it's under the bottom. And on the top, you can see what I did is I did it on the reverse. So on the top it's here, so that way you don't actually see underneath because it's at eye level. So that way you see it, you don't see it, and you don't see it. And these screws are like almost self-tapping because they go in quite easily into the wood. You don't have to pre-drill. So here's another one we're adding at the very bottom, like I said. And one other tip is that you don't want to make these the same width. So you can see that this one is a little shorter than this one. This way it creates like this nice dynamic going upwards. Now we're gonna place this here, bump this against this side, put a little glue there, and then screw it underneath. And this is basically the result. So nice little niche with extra little storage for umbrellas or little water bottles or knickknacks.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.